Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya with Mind, Body, and Soul Company, and I make aromatherapy, bath and beauty products. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe and become part of my YouTube family. So today's project is an exfoliating salt scrub. It's to go along with my Oceanside soap that I made in my previous video. So super simple, but really nice way to kind of get rid of any dry skin that you may have. Get you ready for short and sandal season. So here I have 8 ounces of dead sea salt. It's a medium grain. Just gonna pour that in there. Then 2 ounces of a pumice sand. Now I'm just gonna kind of get this mixed together. Like that. Then I have 0.25 ounces of orchid extract and 0.25 ounces of lemon extract. You could definitely use all orchid or all lemon, it's just whatever you prefer. And this is just a way of adding a little bit of moisture and some silkiness to the salt scrub. It does help with getting that little bit of moisture in there so it's not too coarse. And finally, I have a fragrance and essential oil blend here. I use some sea salt to help tie it into my Oceanside soap. Then there's some peppermint and also some tranquility from brambleberry. So get that poured in. And this is just gonna be lightly scented. It's not gonna be super heavy. And then you just wanna mix everything really well. That blend actually smells awesome. Loving that. Okay. And you could do this with a spoon. I just think it's easier with my hands to get all the way down to the bottom, but that is why I have gloves on as well, just for hygiene practices. All right, that's looking good there. I'm just gonna grab my containers real quick. All right, so got my containers. Then you're just gonna take the scrub and put it into each of your containers. Pretty self-explanatory for that part. I think I'm actually gonna have enough for one more. Let me grab that. All right, so got my other container here. Just gonna get the last of the scrub in this container. And I do like using glass containers whenever possible. That way, once you are finished with the scrub, you can go ahead and reuse it for something else. All right, so just gonna get things cleaned up here and get the lids and labels on my jar, and I will be back. All right, and here they are with the labels on. Hopefully there's not too much of a glare there. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.